Hey, what's up guys? My name is Eddie Gonzalez, and you know, my company ordered a special kind of office furniture called adjustable sit stand desk. So we're gonna go to the factory and check the status of our shipment. Wanna come with me? Follow me. Hi, Karen. I'm Eddie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Let's go to our showroom first.
All right. Wanna join us? So this is the showroom, huh?
Yes, this is our showroom. We listed most of our products here. Here are the TV brackets, and these are the monitor arms, and these are the heat adjustable desks.
So Karen, is this the one?
Yes, this one is your order.
This is the one that we ordered, guys. All right, so tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, it's the electrical one, and you can press the button, and it will go down.
Okay.
Press this button, it will go up.
All right.
And the keyboard can adjust it.
It can be adjusted from here, huh?
Yes.
And what is this for?
You can put your pad here, like
Oh, there you go, guys. Nice. So how much does it weigh, one set?
this. It's about 22 kilos.
22 kilos. And how much weight can it support?
It can support about 15 kilograms.
15 kilograms. All right. Can I give it a shot?
Of course.
All right.
Eddie, this one is another one you have ordered.
Oh, perfect.
We have finished it. I can show you in the warehouse.
All right, let's go.
Okay,
Wanna come with us? Let's go. Wow, guys, the warehouse is huge. How big is it?
It's almost 1,000 square meters here. Yeah.
Nice.
And your products are stored in our warehouse too.
Can we open one to take a look?
Sure.
Wanna help us out? Let's check it out. All right, so this is one of the sets that we ordered. Let's open it. All right, when you open this, make sure that you get some help because it's quite heavy. So, Karen, can you give me a hand, please? Wow, let's see what we got. So when you open the set, it'll come with these 4 gadgets. Put them around in the corners, protect the surface, and it'll come with this little thing to help you keep the cables together. Alright, so this platform has 2 lock buttons on the side. You open it this way, and you can really tell that this is a smooth and slim design. Then put it back down, like this, and you lock it.
Eddie, this is our laser cutting machine, and it can cut almost 2,000 pieces per day.
2,000 pieces per day.
Yes.
Wow, guys, come here and check it out. So Karen, are those robots right there?
Yes, there are 2 pieces of automatic welding machines, and it can weld the parts together.
Are you talking about the parts that we just saw from the other laser cutting machine?
Yes, you're right.
I see.
Yeah.
Let's come check it out. So Karen, what does it say here in the monitor?
It's showing the order quantity and the quantity they can produce per day, and how many quantity they have produced now. Yeah. This is one of our production lines here, and before the fruit shipped out, we do more than 3 inspection steps, such as incoming material inspection and in-process QC control and the finished product inspection. Yes, and you can see the orange people there. They are inspection people.
Oh, so the people wearing orange shirts
Yes,
are the ones
yes.
in charge of the inspection. Okay.
Yes.
And you say that there are 3 steps.
Yes.
Right? How long does each step take?
It depends on the materials and the products in production.
All right.
Yes. And we do very strictly inspection requirements.
All right.
Yeah.
Can you show us more in depth?
Okay.
Karen, thank you so much for your time. It was really eye-opening to see everything that happens behind the scenes here at the factory.
Yeah, thank you, Eddie. Thank you for visiting us and welcome you to visit us next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If you want to find more information about these products or this factory, I'll leave the links right below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like us and follow our videos for more adventures visiting factories in China. My name is Eddie Gonzalez. See you next time.